Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is SHIBA. I'm 11 years old. I'm in grade 7 at KESATUAN BANGSA school. Every day, my father, my mother, and I drink milk and coffee sachet and it causes lots of plastic trash at my home. So I reduce it and make it into a small carpet. And here what the material that I use. First, there is an empty coffee sachet for making the carpet. Second, there is scissor for cutting the coffee sachet to make it into a carpet. Here are the steps. First, cut the coffee sachet and keep the another part for another project if you want.
我真的睡着了。
Make it into smaller. And like this. Step 2, fold it into 3 or 4. Yeah, like this. Fold it into smaller. Fold it until like this. Like this. And here are the results. Step 3. Take 2 pieces and put it inside like this. Take another pieces and do the same. And become like this. Then just pull it until it's tight.
这次我真的睡着了。
Become like this. And then take another pieces and do the same thing. It's a bit hard, but please be patient. Then pull it again and become like this. Then if you want to make it bigger, just make it like this. First take it another pieces, then make a hole, put this inside the pieces like this, and then take another one, put it like the same that we did from the first one, like this, then take another one, do it like this. I know it's hard, but there's no way again. Like this. Now it's harder to make after as big as this. Here is the result. I'm running out of material. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.